Yep, so this is the 233 Classic, and I think you all know how much I love them. They've just got the most beautiful lines that any boat has ever had. I love these boats, I love their lines, and no matter how many come out of our factory, they've still got that wow factor. Each one is individual, it's different, but in essence it's a 233 Classic. This boat was ordered by Michael Carey, Northern Queensland, north of Townsville actually, primarily for reef fishing, line and rod fishing in very, very classic trim presentation. So as you can see, it's a windscreen. We've got a transom mount here with twin 200 Mercury V6s, just a beautiful combination, presented beautifully. He didn't want too much going on in terms of biminis and rocket launchers. What he'll be doing is building a typical Northern Queensland, what would you call it? A sunshade, if you like, which spans pretty much the whole length of the boat, and that'll suit what he wants to do up there. We have the all-new 3.4 litre V6 200 Mercuries on the back of Michael's boat. And despite what a lot of people think, you don't need a lot of horsepower to get these boats moving and working well. The twin 200s on this boat are actually perfect balance, perfect power, low range, mid-range. We're getting really good fuel economy in mid-range at 3.5 to 4,500 RPM. And we're getting these boats to move around in the mid 80 kilometres with the twin 200s, which is moving. We've got a customised ladder for Michael. He didn't want a dive door, so obviously it needs access to inside the boat, and the boys have come up with this design. So it's a removable fold down ladder that gets stowed at the back of the coamings at the stern of the boat. Okay, here we are in Michael's boat, and Michael's opted for a 12-inch screen with a 9-inch screen in combination. We network those together, obviously. There's a 4-inch Mercury gauge, Lenco trim tabs, and an anchor winch that he opted for. These seats, these custom seats, really are something else. I can tell you, they're so comfortable. A little bit different to what everyone's used to these days, but it suits Michael with what he does down to a T. And I can tell you what, I can get pretty well used to this. Nice and comfy, nice cushioning, and yeah, just lovely to sit in, to be honest. There's nothing more beautiful than a boat that looks like this. So congratulations, Michael. And I just want to say congratulations to all the guys at Edencraft that put this boat together. It really shows what the 233 is all about.